So I hope you will excuse me for the very poor quality of this video. I'm not even sure if I'm able to keep the video in landscape orientation. Well, anyway, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just trying to share something that I try to find myself in first place. I tried to find on the internet. I couldn't find. I wanted to see how to how to remove the back cover for this specific Envision ES32-inch G2 monitor, which unlike other kind of monitor, it doesn't have a frame that you can safely pray on. Usually this kind of monitor, so you can pray in between here. So without risking of touching directly the LCD panel, because the LCD panel is here and you can pray in here. So at the back of the LCD panel, and the LCD panel is protected, but this is not the case for this monitor. So this is Envision ES32G2. Okay, so just for context, this monitor was working well, and then all of a sudden the backlight started. When you turn on the monitor, the backlight starts. It starts on, and then it turns off, and then it gets is very dark, and then it turns on and off. It keeps flickering. At some point, the on and off becomes flickering, and the flickering becomes during the flickering, the brightness becomes from very low to normal, and then eventually stabilize, but to full stabilize to full brightness. But of course there is something wrong in here, and probably is a capacitor. It went faulty, and it's not totally faulty. But it will at some point it will become totally faulty, and even if we warm up the monitor, eventually the backlight will not turn on anymore, and so the monitor become unusable. And so I need to remove the back cover, and I don't know where to pray, where to put leverage without risking of damaging anything. So I couldn't find anything on the internet. I decided to try my luck, and I made it, and I just want to share with others, so they once they know what is inside, they can pray. We can leverage with more confidence without risking of breaking anything. So let's pause a moment here. So I already remove the cover, and I didn't want to just put it completely back, just only for the purpose of this video. But just one thing I want to make clear what I'm talking about. This kind of monitor basically is like it's frameless. So we have the LCD panel here. The crystal, which is basically the border of the panel is just next to the frame, and if you want to release the frame from the hooks, from the tabs, eventually you may try to pray here, put something inside in the gap like this typical tool, and you want to put put something here and eventually try to but that's dangerous, because the LCD panel is very delicate. It's like a glass, and if you crack it, the crack can go everywhere, and basically ruin completely, and made the LCD basically it's spoiled completely and ruin completely the LCD. So what are the steps here? what I learned. And so I learned that there are 3 screws here. Everyone can see the screw. There's 1 and 2 and 3. And after you remove the 3 screw, you can also remove this front small plastic cover here. But for this one, you can safely pray. You know, you can pray along the border here, and until it will you know, get free, and then you can remove it. And now you can see that the bottom border of the LCD panel is protected with a metal, with a piece of metal. So for the bottom border is pretty much safe to pray with anything, but that's not the case for the side borders. Okay, that's the case. So what is that I've done, and what is my suggestion for this? My suggestion is to not use any tool except for your finger, and basically try to grasp the border of the back cover. You grasp the border, and you you know, use your thumb to make leverage in the attempt to basically flex in the outward direction, to flex in the outward direction the side of the back cover, until you will feel like the classical sounds that of the hook that gets released, no, like tuck, tuck. Okay, so I already done it, and it needs to be done both the sides like this. You flex it outward, the outward direction. On the top here there are other hooks, but they work like a hinge. So once you have free up both the sides here and the bottom, of course, then you can now lift up the bottom. Okay, and there it is. And of course you need to, you know, unplug the cables, and there the back cover is being removed. And so here I can show you where are exactly the tabs. They anchor the back cover to the basically to the supporting plate. So there are only 3, 1, 2, and 3, but here on the top there are a few of this how to say tooth or teeth. I don't know technically what could be the name of this elements here, but this one of course engage the back cover, and but you basically no need to care much about this one, because you will flip the cover like if it's, you will turn the cover like if this one is a hinge. Yeah, and that's it. Basically that's it. There are 3 tabs here, and then you will try to you know, disengage the back cover by just using, you know, your finger here and try to flex it. So with avoiding to pray and lever or directly on the front on the LCD panel. Okay, so that's it. I hope this helps someone and he's in the need to repair this monitor. And thank you for watching. God bless.